Hi everyone, this is Stacia with Kelvion, and today we are in Kelvion Wuhu manufacturing site to speak with Matthew Carson, who is the Chief Business Officer of Hash House. For those who aren't familiar with Hash House, can you please share a little bit more about Hash House?
Sure. Hash House is a technology-driven infrastructure company supporting high-performance computing and data centers. We specialize in end-to-end solutions from the design, manufacturing, and integration of immersion and hydro cooling.
Could you please share with us Hash House specific involvement in the 200 megawatt immersion oil cooling project deployed in Texas?
Sure. Hash House played a key role in everything from the initial engineering scope, the immersion tank design, CDU integration, as well as the on-site installation and commissioning support. Kelvion was selected based on their proven engineering capabilities, their project consistency, and a strong track record in mission-critical heat rejection applications. For a 200 megawatt size deployment, the stability and performance of the overall system were key deciding factors for us. Early on in our engineering process, Kelvion's worldwide team provided comprehensive technical documentation and thermal calculations that our team used to validate design assumptions and strengthen the engineering foundation for our system's entire architecture. Additionally, Kelvion's local design, manufacturing, and service support in China enabled a collaboration speed and responsiveness that were key factors for complex deployments with tight schedules and very specific operating requirements. This engineering collaboration enabled a scalable solution that could be repeated over and over for large-scale projects and deployments.
Well, we are so delighted to partner with you on such a big-scale, complicated immersion oil cooling project. And thanks again for your time speaking with us today and share with us one of the most amazing solutions we are able to offer at Kelvion.
Thank you very much. It was our pleasure to be here as well to tour the factory today, and we're very much looking forward to working together on larger and larger projects in the future.